Good morning from MasterTrust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 28th of August 2025. The US Dow Jones increased 0.35%, settling the day at 45,565.23, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 21,590.14, increasing 0.21%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 42,610 and Hang Seng is trading at 25,030. Gift Nifty is currently trading at 24,645, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII sold 6,516.49 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 7,060.37 crore in the last trading session. At the end of the day, we will come together. US Treasury's Besant on India-US tariff row. India plans outreach in 40 countries to boost textiles exports amid US tariff blow. Now talking about global aspects, dollar on defensive as September Fed cut bets ramp up. USCB consumer confidence at 97.4 signals modest improvement in sentiment. WTI rose 1.4% to $64.15 a barrel, and Brent rose 1.2% to $68.05 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 98.02. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.05%, up. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices declined sharply, snapping the prior session's gains and hitting a near two-week low, driven by renewed global trade tensions. Market sentiment soured after the US issued a draft notice proposing up to 50% tariffs on Indian goods, effective Wednesday, and cancelled a scheduled visit by US trade negotiators to New Delhi, August 25 to 29, undermining hopes of resolution. Outlook for today, Nifty declined sharply, snapping the prior session's gains and hitting a near two-week low, driven by renewed global trade tensions. It ended below its 21-day and 55-day moving averages, around the 24,800 to 24,840 zone, which will now act as strong resistance. Support is seen at 24,600, and if that breaks, the index could fall further toward 24,450. With weak sentiment and technical pressure, the market remains a sell-on rise for now. Bank Nifty extended its decline, breaking below its recent consolidation range and trading beneath its 21-day and 55-day EMAs, signaling ongoing weakness. Immediate support lies at 54,100, and a breach below this level could trigger further downside towards 53,500. On the upside, the index must sustain above the 55,000 mark to negate bearish momentum. Until then, the trend remains negative, and the current technical setup favors a sell-on rise approach for traders. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, Granules, Lupin, Boss, Nykaa; Paytm bearish view, PGAL, Angel One, BSA, Godrej Prop. CDSL trade of the day is bullish on ITC, buy at 403, stop loss 390. Target 419. Rationale: support reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.